Hi guys, postman's bin. Just a little package today. Feels like little lumpy bumps. I should think it's one of those electronic kits, the cheap ones I buy from eBay. What does it say? A W215L508 times 1. Okay. Good for deal 99. Yeah, there we are. Okay, nothing telling us what it is. We got a chip. We got some transistors, capacitors. That looks like an infrared receiver. Oh, that's a relay, isn't it? That must be some sort of little infrared remote control receiver. Well, that could be handy. I get quite a few requests for that sort of thing. That's CD4017, it says the chip should be. Right, okay, well that'll go upstairs in the workroom for when it's a rainy day, got nothing else to do.